lovers, welcome to another video. It's your girl Shan. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Trust me, you will love it here. I'm here again. This one is by Coach. Yes, if you know me and watch me, you will know I love Coach. I love Coach, okay? And if you love Coach, let me know in the comment section. All right, Coach is killing it, as I always say. They are killing it. They are serving. They are serving me, okay? And if they are giving it, all right, why not? We just need to take it. If you're interested and you want to see what I got from Coach, keep watching. Don't go away. That should be my thumbnail. All right, I just want to let you know that, yes, whatever I'm showing you now is just for the purpose of this video, all right? I have unboxed this and I have rocked this a little bit, okay? Which I always love to do. I like to use my items before talking to you lovelies. Whatever you're seeing here. Yeah, being the girl that always loves to stay organized, right? You will always see my shoes in their original boxes, my handbags in their original boxes. I don't know, it's just my thing. I love it like that. Yeah, some people love to display their bags and shoes. I'm not really, no. I feel they need to be, in their right place. It's always easy for me to store, and from time to time I try to open them and let some air in. All right. I'm sure you know what I mean. All right, so all right, look at this box. This, I got shoes. All right, I love shoes. I'm a shoe queen. If it's good, we are buying it. If it's comfortable, we are not letting go. All right. And if the style is, oh my god, I am grabbing. Okay, it came in this box, very sturdy, as you know. Let's see what we have. This is what I got. I got this Leah loafers. I don't know if I said that right, but I'll put the name on the screen for you, okay? If you know the right way to say this, let me know in the comment section, okay? But yes, we got Leah loafers by Coach. Look at this. Isn't this doing it? Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. When you want to serve it hot, winter season, cold seasons, what girl? You need this in your wardrobe. You need this. Let me tell you why I got these shoes. Okay. Yeah, there is always a story behind, especially shoes for me. And because I love shoes, I seem not to get enough of them. Okay, there will always be a reason to why I get them and add to my collection. First, I consider getting this particular loafer because I got Prada loafer that was last year, shiny and all that, the popular Prada loafer. All right, so seeing this one at Coach, this one is not giving me that. All right, so I'm like, oh, okay, maybe I need to add this one. Okay, so if I want to make a statement, I can rock my Prada. And if I want to play a little, I go with Coach. And this looks more like, oh my god, I tried this on in the store. I'm like, wow, this is good, so comfortable. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about these shoes. You know, look at that. Look at that. All right. Leather upper, man-made leather lining, leather footbed, and the rubber outsole. Yeah, this slips on, and yeah, so nice. I will say this shoe is timeless. It is timeless, I must say. Look at this, all right? With a chunky 90s inspired log sole for subtle lift. Ah, this is quality right here. If you ask me, it features cushiony memory foam padding for all-day comfort. Okay, and it's finished with tonal signature hardware for an iconic Coach look. Okay, you can rock this to you can rock this to work. You can rock this during cold seasons. Is when I always also, yeah, fall. I love to rock loafers during fall seasons as well. To the size, I got my regular size, which is size 8. I love this shoe. Thumbs up to, I don't know, this shoe is wide foot friendly. It's wide foot friendly, so comfortable, super comfortable. I'll say it's true to size, of course. Yeah, I rock size 8. You know, it went really well and gives me that tight. In fact, this is a perfect fit if you ask me. All right. I love the fact that, yeah, that 90s, if you want that 90s look, you get it here. And the sole is not that chunky. That's what I love as well. Yeah, it's really good. Really, really good. Yeah, it's decently wide, I would say. Yeah, it's good for my feet. I love this. It's well made. To their price on their website, you will get this for $195. I just looked this up. It's $195 on their website. All right. Yeah, it's a good one. I got mine from the store. So let me tell you how much I got this. All right. So what I have here, okay, I got this for, it is actually $195 in the store as well. So $195. Yeah, I've rocked this twice, and yeah, I had a very good experience rocking this. This shoe don't make your feet to look big. You know, it's chunky, but in a very good way. Okay, let me tell you what I love about these shoes. Okay, if you're on a budget, you love Prada, Chanel loafers, you can go for this. This is, you know, look at this. I would say for $195, it's very good for the quality right here. The reason why, let me tell you why I love these shoes. Okay, let me tell you why I love these shoes. Yeah, capital yes on this one for me. Right, the quality is there. Yes, great quality. Right, they were comfortable, they fit perfectly. Very interesting one. Right, the heels. Okay, let me show you. Right, the soles add 2 inches to my height and are really cushioning, so soft. I'm sure you know I'm not gonna miss this one. I also got lots of compliments rocking these. The price, yes, I knew how much I got my Prada loafers. It's nothing close to this. This is nothing close to what I got my Prada loafers. All right, I am still getting the same look. Yeah, we still got the same look with this one. Okay, I love the leather. Look at this. I absolutely love this one. I'm obsessed. Period. I will rock this more than my brother. Do I have anything I don't like about these shoes? I don't think so. That is how good and that is how much I'm obsessed with these shoes, okay? Yeah, nicely made. Yeah, it's a good one right here, okay? Yes. Okay, I'll end this video here. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you have Leah Loafers by Coach, let me know in the comment section. And until next time, I will see you lovelies. Bye for now. Oh, I forgot, but I just need to show you this. I got a gift from Coach, alright? Okay, they saw me trying this